Yeah, let me remember how to screen share on here. Oh, there's a big button for it. That would do it. All right.
Abby, you can start sharing your screen whenever you're ready.
All right. Hello, everyone. Can you hear me? Hi. Hi, Alexa.
Hey. Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Yeah, thanks so much. Good luck, Elliot.
Thank you.
Yep.
Emily, your stuff is always awesome.
Oh, thank you so much. And yours is too. You guys, Elliot's 3D final is off the wall. You guys thought mine was good? Get ready. All right, bye.
I'm excited.
I basically planned this whole semester to set myself up for senior thesis. So I started off with really good momentum, and then COVID happened. And that went about as well as you'd expect. I did eventually bounce back and found out I work really well when I have nowhere to be. This has been, like, hands down the least stressful finals I've ever had. I kind of like a little bit of everything, so I wanted to try and expand and see what else I liked or if I didn't like something, and unfortunately I've liked it all. So
Are you also doing 2D animation at all, or is that more, are you favoring 3D now more?
I am still interested in doing more 2D animation. I'd actually like, for my mentorship this summer, I'd like to work on getting a 2D demo reel done, and some more storyboarding.
Because an interesting thing, like the fact that you're using Blender and then you also have this like idea of how these game engines work, that's a really, really powerful combination. If you started to push that, you could create, you don't even have to create a game using the game engine. You could actually create movies.
Yeah, you're like, when you were, I think it was the product design, it was the artwork that you were talking about where you're like, I didn't know this was a thing. You excelled at that, right? Like those things, I'm like, pick your store, Target or whatever. Walking down Target, I would see those on the store, right? I would see those, some of those patterns that I'm like, can I have that as wrapping paper?
Mm-hmm.
So,
Yeah, I liked her. She worked us really hard in that class. We did probably 8 or 9 different collections throughout the whole year. She started us off with very small focus collections, and we started building up throughout the whole year, which was very fun. I liked that class a lot.
Moving on is 3D animation, which is my focus, I would say, at this point. This was not our first project that we did, but this was this was the assignment where I kind of clicked with 3D animation. We had to do an action with one of the provided character models. And yeah, it just was the project where I was it really clicked with me, and I really knew that I liked to do this. And then for our final, we had to make a 15 to 20 second little story with one of the provided rigs. And this was what I came up with. I think I'm definitely leaning more towards doing 3D animation for my senior thesis.
I think that's probably smart. The Sword in the Stone is really, really nice. The emotion that you get through it, and like you were saying, the weight. But it doesn't, it feels like a complete thought. Even you have a little joke at the end where the sword almost hits the character. That's really good. Getting that and understanding what the character feels like through their body motion, not just through their expression, is not really easy to do, and I think you're achieving that. So I think if you push your own models, it'll take it away from tutorial zone where it looks like you're just learning, and it'll be this is my full thing, and people will see that.
You have some really great character acting.
Thank you.
And you know how to build up moments in a story fairly well. So if your interest is in just the rigging or just the animation, that would be a really good focus for your senior thesis. And if you're interested in that particular small character that you have with the headphones, maybe part of your summer prep for senior thesis is to start figuring out what that character looks like in motion, figure out how easy it is to model that and to rig that, and what parts you want to rig.
Great feedback. Thank you. Yeah, I appreciate it so much, and I'm glad that you guys liked the stuff that I did.
All right, thank you so much, guys. Bye.
Bye.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye.
Thanks, Evan.
Bye.
All right, cool. Thank you, Kira.
Thank you.
Yes,
Good
so have a
summer.
good summer.
Take care.
You guys too. Have a good summer. Stay safe.
You too.
You too.
Corona, 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 corona.